Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how you completely and utterly change the whole landscape in seconds. Just using the new generative fill option, it is very easy for you now to change landscapes, whereas before it'd be quite a lengthy and arduous process for us. Now we can do it in absolute seconds. What I'd like to do to this image of a castle is apply a lake. I'm going to simply create a selection using the lasso tool here. And I'm going to come around sort of this area here. Let's say start about here. And I'm just going to make sure I make a good enough selection. It doesn't have to be wonderful or anything like that. And so we come around here. Like so, there we go. Generative fill, all I'm typing is L-A-K-E, lake. Press enter, and let Photoshop do the work and do the magic. What will happen as well, there'll be three options for us to choose from, which will be even better. We don't have to actually just settle on one. We can pick from three. Always make sure you persevere, guys, and wait. And boom. There's the first one there. There's the second one. And there's a third one. For me, it's between the second and the third one. I think I'm going to go for the second one. And there you have it, guys. That's how you completely and utterly change landscape in seconds. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. See you next time.